Morning student, myself Pavita Saxena and I am faculty in SIRT College. Today's video is about the basic components and approximate cost of these components which are commonly used in the electronic circuit. This is the list of basic components and another more components can be added in this list, but these are very basic component. First one is the breadboard, which is very basic. The breadboard is of two types. The small size breadboard is of 50 rupees and the standard size of breadboard is of 100 rupees per piece. Battery 9 volt, 12 volt. What is the cost? 20 rupees approximately. Resistance 2 rupees approximately. Capacitors, transistor, diode, LED switches and connecting wires. This is the breadboard, how it is looks. You can see this is the resistance and the resistance which comes with the color coding. The first digit and first strip is and second strip and the third strip, and the third strip, first, second, third strips are the digits and the fourth one is the multiplier. Now fifth one is the tolerance and now sixth one is the temperature coefficient. Now this is the example for the 4-band resistor. In the 4-band resistor, first band is the green. Green has a number of 5. So first digit is 5. Now second one is the blue. Blue has the 6, so 56. And the third one is the multiplier. Red has the 2. 2 value, 2 means 2 zeros, means 5600 is the value of this resistance. This is the 5-band resistor example. These are the summary: 4-band, 5-band, and the 6-band. And this slide is about the how we can calculate the value of resistance from the color coding. And this is the short form for color coding: BB Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. And the BB Roy, these are the first letter of color coding. Capacitors, the next component is the capacitor. Capacitor is of two types: non-polarized and the polarized. Polarized capacitor has the polarity of plus and minus, and non-polarized has the no polarity. Now the next component is the transistor. Transistor is of two types: PNP and the NPN. These are the some basic example of transistors which come in the market. TO92. The identification of leads is first on the facing of yourself. First, second, third is the emitter, base, and collector. This is the 2 and 222 4222 transistor. In this transistor, first when it faces from you, then first lead is emitters, middle is always base, and the third one is collector. How we can identify the leads? This is the BC558 transistor pinout diagram. This is the PNP transistor, and this is the different type of pin diagram. The first pin is collectors, middle is always base, and third one is emitter. This is the example how we can find out the fault in transistor. This is about the diode, how we can check the diode from the multimeter. And a good diode will show an extremely high resistance with the reverse bias and the very low resistance with the forward bias. This is in the forward bias, when connect red to positive, negative to negative, it shows the 0.70 volt in the forward bias and very high open in the reverse bias direction. This is the diode, anode and cathode. How we see the practical diode? The strip is always is cathode and not cathode. And this is the LED. The bigger terminal is anode and the shorter terminal is cathode.